What's the big deal with semiconductors, and so what? I'm Steve Hendrix with your Global Minute. Every day, semiconductors are in the news, but what are they? Who's involved? What does it matter? What's coming next? A semiconductor is just a material with electrical connectivity between a conductor, think copper, and an insulator, something like rubber or glass. Silicon is the most common semiconductor used to make microchips and integrated circuits. Semiconductors are used for computers and microprocessors and memory chips, in communications like your cell phone, industrial applications like robots, in cars, and for computer electronics like cameras, televisions, refrigerators, and so on. The United States leads in innovation, but depends on others for key parts of the supply chain. The 2022 CHIPS Act provided $11 billion to develop a robust development and a research ecosystem in the U.S. Having said that, the U.S. is only the fifth largest manufacturer of semiconductors. China is the biggest producer, making over a third of the world's supply. Taiwan, South Korea, and Japan are the other big manufacturers, all ahead of the U.S. Semiconductors are important for national security. They have military applications. Cybersecurity risks like malicious code and intellectual property theft are new threats in this global race for semiconductor production. Economic interests are also key. Semiconductors are central to the economy, so innovation and competitiveness are always going to be essential. New investment and job creation are a key part of the semiconductor story. There's also political interest. Trade wars between the United States and China have disrupted the semiconductor supply chain. Human rights are always a factor. We have to ask ourselves about labor practices and standards, the environmental implications and sustainability, and dual-use technologies that could perpetuate human rights abuses or military aggression. So what can we expect? Semiconductor technology will continue to advance. Macroeconomic, geopolitical, and human capital factors will shape industry dynamics. Expect a major talent shortage and skill gap with very serious competition for the right talent. Expect major technology advances, especially as the industry looks to increase processing power. I foresee going beyond traditional silicon to new materials and architectures. Expect new resilience in supply chains to address the global chip shortage. Finally, expect more onshoring and friendshoring. Increased tensions between the United States and China mean businesses now have to manage those risks. Key material supply, production, and packaging will therefore move to more allied countries. Semiconductors are our future. Stay in the know with what's coming for you. Please like, share, favorite, comment, repost, follow, and subscribe. I'm Steve Hendrix for your Global Minute.